first noticed pain when I was graduating from college, so that would be 2013. I couldn't even keep my mouth open long enough for an appointment. We had to take breaks just to do like a teeth cleaning. And so that's when we first kind of identified the problem. So it's been over 3 years now, dealing with pain. I mean, just complete, chronic, constant, dull pain. My cheeks were swollen all the time. I had knots in my face. You know, you get knots in your back. I had them in my face. I went to a chiropractor because my face hurt so bad. It was actually hurting my neck and my back. I would just get tired so easily because I just was so overworked. It never got worse from that point, but it never got better.
Right.
I was still in a lot of pain. I would come to you and we'd have to take breaks.
Yeah.
Just throughout that 3 years. I just was so fed up.
Yeah.
I mean, it was just completely altering my whole life. I tell my parents and they're not supportive.
Right.
Which, you know, they had legitimate reasons. Because, I mean, we've had dentists in the past who tried to put me in veneers at like age 8.
Oh, that would have been a disaster.
Yeah. You know, and so we've had bad experiences in the past, so it's like, well, why do we believe it this time? Like, what makes this time different? I think part of it is we've been coming here for so long that, like, we trust Dr. Babcock to, you know, she's gonna do what's right for us. Right. And she's been through the pain, so she actually gets it. She can be empathetic towards it. Come up in January, I get my mouth guard, and within, I would say, 24 hours, or even 24 to 48 hours, I was like, I'm in no pain.
Wow.
I don't hurt anymore. And I never thought that the pain would actually go away.
Right.
I really didn't. I thought, yeah, she's saying all this stuff, but I don't, like, how is this thing
piece of
gonna make that? I still don't quite understand it. People ask me and I'm like, magic?
Yeah.
You know, I'm a science teacher, so when a science teacher says magic, that's good. But yeah, it's amazing how just one adjustment can just make all the pain go away.
Yeah.
I mean, I like to sing when I'm happy, and like I couldn't live before this because I would get so tired after one song. Right. I think that's the hardest part about this, is that you have to be willing to put in the time, and you have to be dedicated. It's not going to work if you only wear it sometimes. Right. And with this mouth guard, I've really been able to understand like what my mouth was doing. Right. And I have a lot more control over it. Even though I know my jaw like is going up and down the same way now, it feels better. I don't crack as much.
Let's take it. We'll make it celebratory, taking that out for the very last time.
Okay.
There it goes.